Hello beauties, welcome to Wendy Styles. Welcome to 2026, and today we have this beautiful short natural hairstyle that will really trend in this 2026. It's a style that relies on movement, on texture and individuality. One thing about the style is that it will complement your hair texture and your hair's density. This year is about haircuts that will really take many years of your age. It's about owning what makes you different, and we have some movability and longevity when it comes to haircut, like the Pixies, the Tapered, the Winnie Afros, the Bobs, and those beautiful shaggy cuts, because that's what most haircut gets, like when you add those undercut, like most especially the Bobs. It makes it visible, for you to keep it hidden beneath the layers. The choice is just yours. Everyone will tell you that some haircut flatters different face shapes because of the angles they create. What cannot be stressed enough is how splendid this cut looks on all hair texture. Take a good look on this hairstyle. You can see how this hairstyle looks beautiful. Just have in mind that embracing your curls will be much better, and it will make your styling surprisingly simple, and you will just love how effortless everything feels. So this hairstyle today, a modern haircut that highlights facial features with minimal daily styling involved. So it's a style that making sure the two sides are shorter, leaving a little longer hair on the top, because it will leave you room for styling experience when the mood hits. Let me just let you guys have out the rest of the styles. I appreciate everyone. God bless you guys, and please watch this video to the end. God bless you, and see you in my next upload.